Hi everyone, in this video let us see the topic regression lines. So first let us see what is regression. Regression is a measure of the average relationship between two or more variables in the terms of original units of data. Example, if the sales and advertising are correlated, we can find out the expected amount of sales for giving advertising expenditure or the amount needed for attaining the given amount of sales. Next one, lines of regression. If two variables x and y are correlated, that is there exists some association between them, we can see that in the scatter diagram will be more or less concentrated around the curve. This curve is called the curve of regression. If the curve is a straight line, then it is called line of regression. So here we shall have two regression lines. One is regression line of x on y and the other is regression line of y on x. Now let us see the uses of regression analysis. The cause and effect relations are indicated from the study of regression analysis. It establishes rate of change in one variable in terms of the other. It is useful in economic analysis. It helps in prediction and thus it can estimate the value of unknown quantities. It enables us to study the nature of relationship between the variables. It can be useful to all natural, social and physical sciences where the data are in functional relationship. Now let us see what is regression equation. The regression line of y on x is given by y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Here, x bar and y bar are the mean values of the sample x and y respectively. Sigma x and sigma y are the standard deviation and r is the rank correlation coefficient. Similarly, the regression line of y on x is given by x on y is given by x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. The regression coefficients are denoted by Byx and Bxy, where Byx equal to r into sigma y by sigma x and Bxy equal to r into sigma x by sigma y. Now let us see a problem. From the following data, we have to find first condition, the two regression equations, second one, the correlation coefficient, third one is the most likely marks in statistic when the economic marks is given. That is, economic marks is given as 30 and the corresponding statistic marks has to be calculated from the following data. That is, marks in economics and marks in statistics are given in the following table. Calculation table. Here we have the x and y values. That is, x value is written vertically. Similarly, the y value is written vertically. From this we can find the mean x value and the mean y value, that is x bar and y bar values can be determined. Next, in third column we shall find x minus x bar. Similarly, in fourth column we shall determine y minus y bar. Similarly, next one x minus x bar the whole square, y minus y bar the whole square, and the last column is x minus x bar into y minus y bar. And for all these the corresponding total values has to be calculated. Now first condition is to find the regression lines. The coefficient of regression line of y on x is Byx equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar by sigma x minus x bar the whole square. The numerator summation part is 93 minus 93 and the denominator sigma x minus x bar the whole square value is 140. So we have Byx value is minus 0.6643. Similarly, the coefficient of regression equation of x on y is Bxy equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar by denominator is sigma y minus y bar the whole square. By substituting the known values, we have Bxy is minus 0.2337. Now let us find the equation of the line of regression x on y, that is x minus x bar equal to Bxy into y minus y bar. Here we know the value of x bar is 32, Bxy value is minus 0.2337 and y bar value is 38. By substituting we have x is equal to minus 0.2337y plus 40.8806. This is the equation of line of regression of x on y. Next, let us find the equation of line of regression of y on x, which is y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. Now, by substituting the known values, we have y is equal to minus 0.6642x plus 59.2576. Next, we shall find the correlation coefficient, that is r square is byx into bxy, which is equal to minus 0.6643 into minus 0.2337, which is equal to 0.1552. So we have R value is plus or minus 0.394. Now third part is to find the statistics max y for the corresponding economics max x is equal to 30. Here we use, since we need to find y value, we use a line of regression of y on x. Suppose if we need x value, then we have to use a line of regression of x on y. Now y expression is minus 0.6642x plus 59.2576. In question it is given that x value is 30. So by substituting x equal to 30 in this y equation, we have y is equal to 39.3286, which is a statistics marks for the corresponding x equal to 30 value. Thank you.